We want to be safe.
Are these cameras all throughout the house?
Yes, sir. I thought that would be best.
So, if one of our little chickadees were to be taking a shower, which button would I press to get a close-up?
That one.
This one.
That one.
Excuse me, Professor, but your guests have begun to arrive, and supper shall be served shortly.
Okay, thanks, handyman.
Well, I'm actually the caretaker. Oh, what those cool new skates? Now, you be careful with those. You don't want to fall and break something.
Oh, that's funny. That's real funny. Let me give you a hand.
Well, that's awful kind of you. How about you give me a standing ovation?
Why don't you lift me up?
Oh, okay. I see where you're going with this one. You look familiar to me. Were you in Stomp?
Hey, you can kiss my grits.
I think I'll be the bigger man now and walk away. Walk away.
I'll go and change for dinner.
Okay.
I'll see you shortly.
Sounds good. I'll just run upstairs and jump into my jogging suit. I'll be right down. Hey! Hey there, little guy. How you doing?
Fuck off, Four Eyes.
I beg your pardon?
I said, fuck off, Four Eyes.
I ought to kick your ass. Huh?
Hey, relax, son. It's just a bird. Hello, birdie. Polly want a cracker?
Polly wants your mama's sweet ass.
What did Polly say to me?
I said, Polly wants your mama's sweet ass.
You don't be talking about my mama, son. You don't know my mama, son.
I know your mama. I fucked her last night.
You want beef? I'll fuck you up.
Ooh, I'm shaking.
Oh, nah, fuck this. I'm handling this shit like gentlemen. Yo, hold my tooth, son.
Yeah, come on, bitch. You and that welcome back Cotter haircut want a piece of me? Come on, bring it on.
What? You hardcore? Give me some. What?
Come on, bitch. This
Nah.
is
What? No, you gonna talk?
Let me out of here. Come on, pussy. Let me out of here. I'll fuck you up.